Want smarter fitness tracking? Here's how to use Strava to set goals and track every run and ride. Open the Strava app and tap Goals to set weekly distance or time targets. Choose running or cycling, set your target, pick a time frame, then hit Save. Sync your GPS watch or phone in settings so every activity uploads automatically. Tap Record, choose Run or Ride, and press Start to begin tracking. Watch live pace, distance, and heart rate on screen as you train. Use segments to compare efforts on your favorite routes and chase PRs. Tap a segment to see leaderboards, your time, and where you can improve. After your workout, Strava maps your route and tags key metrics automatically. Open Training Log to review weekly mileage, elevation, and trend graphs. Adjust goals based on trends, add notes, and plan your next targets. Set your goals, sync your devices, track with segments, and review progress on Strava. Start tracking today.